Welcome to the analysis page on Yubedo. Right at the top, you'll see key property details like photos and facts, along with listing description and any HOA information. Just below, we highlight investment essentials like ratings, cash needed based on your profile, and a 10-year outlook on cash flow, equity, and potential tax savings. Further down, explore detailed charts for cash flow and equity projections. We also calculate important performance metrics and break them down in an easy-to-understand deal summary. Yubedo analyzes each deal and provides insights to enhance its potential. Clicking on an insight directs you to metrics that can be tailored to improve the deal performance. Yubedo estimates and calculates every metric, but it's easy to adjust these and see their impact on cash flow and long-term growth. Click on Edit to make any necessary changes. Plus, we estimate the property's market value and appreciation potential to better calculate your potential long-term return on investment. Once the deal is adjusted, you can update the deal analysis summary. If you need clarity on any term, click the question mark next to it for a detailed explanation. For any broader real estate queries, Yubedo, our real estate expert bot, is here to help. You can request more information about a deal, share it, or save it to access it later under My Properties. For any questions about a property or how to use Yubedo, don't hesitate to schedule a call with us. Here's to making your investing journey fruitful and informed. Happy investing!